Chatneya Balamu, are you on?
Yes, I'm on.
Okay, are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, everyone have a different perspectives about nuclear energy, but once we start thinking about the usefulness, we can augment US electricity production from 20% to 50% within a very short period of time. It also even we have the major issue of the global warming. So this also can be controlled by using nuclear energy because of its low carbon emissions, which is like 70 times lesser than the coal. And the more added advantage is its highest capacity factor, which is like 3 times higher than the all renewable resources. So but while processing this nuclear energy, we need a fuel as a uranium to produce nuclear energy, but globally uranium was limited in the reserves, so we need to focus on the recycling it and reuse it for improving its efficiency. So, but while recycling this uranium, we have seen harmful gases like releasing into the atmosphere. Those are nothing but like organic iodide, which is a methyl iodide gas, and the inorganic iodine, which is a elemental iodine gas. So these both are very harmful to the environment and health. So the methods already developed to capture these gases, like the adsorption technique. This adsorption technique is only efficient for capturing elemental iodine, but inefficient for capturing the methyl iodide gas. So there is a need to propose a pre-treatment method before going into this adsorption technique. So here my research focus on like proposing an electric discharge, which by using two electrodes like cathode and anode, we create the dielectric plasma here. So when the methylate gas is passed into this dielectric discharge, it reacts with the electrons and gives no methylate gas at the outlet stream. This was confirmed by the gas chromatography analysis, and it also produces the elemental iodine. So this makes easy capture of the elemental iodine by using this adsorption technique. So the benefits from my research work is like by using the electric discharge, we can now easily capture this radioactive iodine. And not only that, we also improve the uranium usage effectively by this recycling process. And most importantly, the nuclear energy can be boosted by producing it and using it without any harm to environment and ourselves. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you. So, how did you get involved in this research?
So this research was like by the Department of Energy. So when I was applied for the masters in chemical engineering, here the nuclear energy was already was in under progress with the Dr. Vivek Utkekar. So he has made me to involve in this research, and it was really interesting.
Was fascinating. Where do you see it being applied in the future?
Yes, so as I said earlier, it gives very impact to the electricity production. So now we are like up to like giving the 20% of electricity. But if we more implement this nuclear energy by recycling it, we can achieve more production of electricity.
Very good. Very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.